Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
1. Adultery. Adultery arises out of professional practice is disgraceful. If adultery occurs in the professional practice, it is disgraceful and dishonorable. Adultery. What is adultery? Adultery is improper relationship with patient or members of the family. A doctor cannot have improper relationship with his patient or family or patient's family. According to section 497 IPC, the section 497 IPC defines adultery as sexual intercourse by a man within one who knows or has a reason to believe to be the wife of another man without consent or convenience of that man. This offense is not amounting to offense of rape but will amount to the offense of adultery. That means if the doctor adultery is having um, sexual relationship with other man's wife. If a man has sexual intercourse with other man's wife, then we call it as adultery. So the person punishable with adultery will always be a male. The judgment given by the Supreme Court in India on 27 September 2018 struck down the offense of adultery. That is, now adultery is no longer a punishable offense. Adultery is unconstitutional according to the Article 14, 15, and 21. Adultery is a part of infamous conduct, but adultery is not punishable legally.
thank you and thank you for watching.